At the GTC 2025 event, NVIDIA showcased its groundbreaking advancements in AI and computing, including powerful GPUs, advanced robotics models, and expanded partnerships with Disney and General Motors, aiming to revolutionize AI applications in various sectors. First, let's take a look at NVIDIA's new AI supercomputers. At the GTC 2025 event, NVIDIA announced a new series of AI personal supercomputers powered by their Grace Blackwell chip technology. The company's CEO, Jensen Huang, introduced two new machines during his keynote. 1. DGX Spark. Previously known as Project Digits, it can perform up to 1,000 trillion AI operations per second. It's available now. 2. DGX Station. Equipped with a powerful chip and 784 GB of memory, it's set to launch later this year through partners like Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo. Huang called these computers the future of AI, saying they're designed to help users create, adjust, and run AI models efficiently. He added that AI will become widespread, and these new computers are built to meet those needs. NVIDIA also highlighted Newton, a tool that lets developers program robots to interact with things like food, cloth, and sand. Newton works with Google DeepMind's robotics tools, including Nujoko, which simulates how robots with multiple joints move. Now let's take a look at NVIDIA's new robot model, GRU 10.1. NVIDIA has introduced a new AI model for humanoid robots called GRU 10.1 at the GTC 2025 event in San Jose. This model is designed to be generalist, meaning it can handle a wide range of tasks. It's trained using both real-world and simulated data. GRU 10.1 has a dual system architecture inspired by how humans think. 1. Slow thinking system. It helps the robot understand its surroundings, process instructions, and plan actions. 2. Fast thinking system. It turns those plans into physical actions, like moving or handling objects step by step. GRU 10.1 is open source, meaning anyone can use it, and it comes with tools for training robots in virtual environments. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang emphasized the age of generalist robotics and the potential for robots capable of performing various tasks like humans. Now let's take a look at NVIDIA's future GPUs. At NVIDIA's GTC 2025 conference in San Jose, CEO Jensen Huang announced several new GPUs that will be released over the next few years. Here's a breakdown. 1. Vera Rubin. A powerful GPU with a custom CPU set for release in late 2026. It's twice as fast as current chips, Grace Blackwell for AI tasks. 2. Rubin Ultra. An even more powerful version is coming in late 2027. This will pack 4 GPUs into one, delivering up to 100 petaflops of power. 3. Blackwell Ultra. A high-performance GPU with 288 GB memory, launching in late 2025. This GPU will match the performance of the current Blackwell chips. 4. Feynman. A next-gen GPU is planned for 2028, named after physicist Richard Feynman. This means NVIDIA is rolling out a series of powerful new GPUs over the next few years, each offering significant upgrades in speed and memory for AI and other advanced computing tasks. Do you know that NVIDIA and GM team up for AI in factories, robots, and self-driving cars? Yes, General Motors, GM, is teaming up with NVIDIA to bring AI into its factories, robots, and self-driving cars. This expanded partnership will help GM use AI to improve how it designs, builds, and operates vehicles. AI for manufacturing. To modernize how cars are built. Build smarter factories using virtual simulations. To improve robotics for tasks like welding and transporting materials. AI for design. To improve how cars are designed and tested virtually. AI for vehicles. To enhance safety features inside cars and develop advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. NVIDIA has a long history of working with car companies, providing GPUs for companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Toyota. They've also developed a platform for self-driving cars called DriveOS, which powers advanced driving systems. GM is also shifting focus from robotaxis to its Super Cruise system, which allows for hands-free driving. At last, Disney's cute robots will be powered by NVIDIA and Google DeepMind. Disney is set to introduce Star Wars-inspired robots to its theme parks starting next year, using NVIDIA's Newton technology. The robots will be more expressive and better at handling complex tasks as they simulate real-world interactions. Disney Imagining's senior executive, Kelly Laughlin, emphasized the importance of partnering with NVIDIA and Google DeepMind for future robot development. The partnership aims to make the robots more capable of handling complex tasks and enhancing their appeal to visitors. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.